Good morning, YouTube. I'm very sorry for the past couple days, the vlog being so short. I'm trying to film more. I promise I'll film more today. Right now, I'm headed out the door to go with Kylie to test drive a car because I think she's gonna buy a car today. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna vlog that a lot. It's gonna be fun. And then later, I have no idea what I'm gonna do, but I'm gonna do something fun. So we're in for a good day, and it's all starting now. Have a good day without me sleeping. Car?
Yeah, I'm gonna buy a car.
Today?
We're buying a car today.
We're buying a car today.
Absolutely.
What if you hate it though? What if you test drive it and then you hate it?
Then we're not buying a car.
We're not buying a car today.
Thank you. Yep. Thank you.
I feel bad. We just ordered like the whole store. The reason she's buying this car is for this button right here.
This aux cord. This is key.
There isn't just one glove box. There's an up glove. Where you can put all your speeding tickets. Is that a Benz or a Bentley? I can't tell. I can't tell if that's a Benz or a Bentley. Me gusta el coche. ¿Y tú?
Is that what a car means? I love it.
¿Te gusta? She's buying the car.
He's like,
This bitch just got it. What's good?
$500.
I almost went in the driver's seat. I'll be back for you later. Alright, we've been driving around Lynn for like 20 minutes. I have to pee more than I've ever had to pee in my life. And there no places at all have a bathroom, so I'm dying slowly. So, she forgot her license at, well, she forgot her license at the dealership. So, we're here again. She got it. We're good. Now we're on our way. So, I'm a little bit of a mess right now. I've been in bed ever since I got home from when I was with Kylie, because I really just haven't felt good at all. My stomach's been really hurting. But I'm gonna try to get up now. I'm gonna try to go golfing, and then I want to spend some time with Lauren tonight if she's not too busy. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do right now. I just really haven't been feeling great, but I'm gonna try to do something. We'll just see what happens. Alright, a little update. I'm feeling better now. I'm on my way to Libby's house. Me, her, Abby, and Vic are gonna have like a fire and stuff like that. So I'm just gonna chill with them, and that should do it for the night. So, yep, we're still not done. For the 500th time, I've forgotten to outro the vlog. So this is the next day, and good night.